talking about the state of blockchain now and where it's going and where is mainstream. So I always hear this thing where I talk to people and they say something like, oh, blockchain technology is still at its infancy and it's not ready for prime time and things like that, and it's inefficient. And let me tell you something, try to execute a bank wire from a customer in Zurich to a supplier in New York, and then you'll see something really inefficient. And then do the same with Ether or whatever currency you choose, and you can't go back after you do that. So technology is really at a great place now. I'm not saying it doesn't have where to advance, obviously, the sky's the limit, but it's very good. Where we're suffering now at blockchain is the interface points with the old world. It's the exchanges, and it's the lawyers, and it's the governments, and it's the banks, and it's everywhere we get in touch with those points that make blockchain lag and make adoption lag and delay us getting mainstream. But technology is here, scalability is here. We have, if you want to increase transactions per second, choose a blockchain that can handle your transactions per second. You have so much choice now. So I think this is where we are, and definitely we're going mainstream eventually.